G'day and welcome to the Armure Roseground with Jenny Brandis. Armure is a lovely open roseground that I have featured in my Pam 11 pattern, Elsa Van Baron. I will be working this on my standard roseground sampler. Step 1. Half stitch, put up the pin. I got carried away and needed to add the twist after the pin. Step 2. Half stitch and pin the left two pairs, cross, twist and put up the pin. Step 3. Half stitch and pin the right two pairs, cross, twist and put up the pin. Step 4. Half stitch the centre two pairs. Step 5 and 6. Close the left pin with half stitch, then the right pin with half stitch. Step 7. Work the bottom pin and half stitch and pin. I know this looks messy, but trust the process. Let's go over the step-by-step diagram here. Half stitch and pin the top pin, half stitch and pin the left pin, half stitch and pin the right pin. Half stitch the centre, half stitch the left, half stitch the right, half stitch and pin the bottom pin. Top centre, half stitch and pin. Left, half stitch and pin. Right, half stitch and pin. Centre, half stitch. Left, half stitch the right, centre, half stitch and pin, and tension. Continue down the diagonal before returning to the top to repeat the next and subsequent rows. It's about here that you can start to see the resemblance to the linked rings of chainmail armour. Thank you for watching.